Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we're filming a what I eat in a day video. So it is, hold on, let me see what time it is. Franny Cat intermission, 11:25. So it's 11:25, and so far today I've just had water. I've had a few sips of my coffee, but I was feeling really gross and wanted to shower before I really indulged. So I have already worked out and I've done all my morning like chore type things, and yeah, I'm on day 6 of the Chloe Ting 2-week shred challenge. It's a lot. I was literally dripping sweat down my face. It was disgusting. So that is where I am so far today. I have my coffee made in my little kitty cat A mug, and please ignore that my packaging pile is a mess right now. Franny gets into it and plays with stuff, but yeah, so I've got my coffee made. It's just coffee. It's a local coffee. I'll have to look up what the name is, but I'll link to their shop down below, and it's their proprietary blend, or whatever you call it, their store blend. And we got that at the farmer's market, and then I just have some silk soy milk in there, so nothing crazy. I'm going to finish that, get my hair dried, and I don't use a dryer. I'm going to take it out of the towel. And then once I'm done my coffee, I'll probably have lunch. I'm thinking something super easy like a salad, just chop and plop, because I don't really feel like spending a lot of time on making food. I just want to eat it. I have no idea what I'm gonna do for dinner today. I don't have any plans or forethought into it. It's just whatever comes to my mind once we get there. So let me show you my outfit of the day. Feel free to give opinions. I am always on the fence with this skirt, and I think actually it might be too big now on the waist. It does not like really hug at my waist the way I want it to. I might end up changing. And I just don't think it goes well with the shirt either, because this is a really cute shirt, but it's not tucking in very well. I've mentioned in another video that I'm doing like a whole closet try on. I've been going through everything. This is one of the last kind of outfits, or pieces from the skirts anyway, that is more spring summer. I don't know, what do you think? Do you guys like this? Like, I think it's really cute. I just don't know if it's cute on me. Maybe I just need to put a belt on it. I don't know. Perhaps this is just not the shirt to go with it. But I feel like I'm in constant search of the shirt that should go with this, and it's like I never find it. I don't know. I'm being super silly about it. Anyway, I've been going through all of my clothes, and I've been listing a lot of things on Poshmark, so I'll put in the description bar my Poshmark link, because if any of you are interested in anything, check it out. I have a lot of things that aren't even just my size. I have other stuff that's just been given to me from family friends who know they have something nice and just don't feel like going through the process of selling it themselves. So check that out. Lots of a couple of formal dresses that are like a 14 women's, or I think it's like a 26 or a 28 women's, from Austin's grandma and mom, from their various dressy events they've had to go to in the past couple of years. So check that out if you're interested. And I'm going to get this towel off my head and have my coffee and make sure I haven't gotten any new emails for work. But yeah, I'm thinking about doing a video about the Chloe Ting challenge. I filmed some before clips. I don't know if I'm definitely not going to film myself working out, because that just does not sound fun at all. I know some people are really confident or just push past it and do it, but like, I don't want to see myself working out. Like, I don't want to see it. Y'all could see it if you were in my house, but I don't even want to see it to edit it, so it's probably not happening. But I might talk about my experience. We'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna be hemming and hawing over this skirt all day. And I just got a work email, so I'm gonna stop rambling, finish my coffee, and then we'll go make a salad or something. I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna make salad. Okay, so this isn't supposed to be a clothing video, but that's just how this intro is turning out. So I put on this white shirt, this plain white t-shirt, to try this on with to see if it looked any better, and I've come to the conclusion it's just too big on my waist. And so I left the white t-shirt on and I put on these lounge pants I just got in the mail yesterday from Loft. Look, make the booty look good. Ooh, hey. So I'll link to these because they're amazing. I actually went ahead and ordered a second pair in black earlier today because they're so comfortable. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing now. So change of plans for lunch. I was going to make a salad, but Austin has like a cut on the roof of his mouth and cannot finish his leftover pizza from yesterday. So he's sticking to soft things at the moment. So I'm going to finish his leftover pizza because leftover pizza doesn't really last many days in the fridge. So this was just a Pillsbury pizza dough that is coincidentally vegan. I used some tomato soup that we had made as the tomato sauce. And it was just kind of a thrown together recipe. I don't really have a real recipe for that. And then we have mushrooms, broccoli, and this, I think it's the Sweet Earth brand of vegan bacon. And the cheese I mixed, I think it's Good Planet or Good Earth or something, cheddar with some Follow Your Heart mozzarella. And then I'm gonna drizzle just a little bit of Frank's on top because, as they say, I put that shit on everything. That's gonna be my lunch. So since I didn't make a salad for lunch, I'm going to make one for dinner. And this lettuce is looking rough. So I'm gonna use romaine because that's what we have. Nothing too complicated to that. And then I'm going to add some black beans, carrot, literally a little carrot, half an avocado, some cucumber, a couple of olives sliced up, and then some little tomatoes from our garden. The cucumbers from the garden too, actually. So here is my salad all assembled. You'll see I also added walnuts, and then Austin was heating up some corn. He's having a baked sweet potato for dinner. So I added a little bit of his corn, and it looks delicious. Now I have to pick a salad dressing. That is my task at hand. So we have Follow Your Heart Ranch, and we have the Goddess dressing from Annie's. I think I'm going to use this one today, actually. So I'm just going to load that onto my salad, and I'm going to eat. And then we're in the middle of watching a movie, so we're going to finish our movie too. So it is much later now. It's about 8 o'clock, a little after 8 o'clock, and I'm going to have a little bit of dessert. I have a chocolate cupcake with some vanilla frosting. So the cupcake recipe, Austin made these yesterday, comes from this cookbook, Modern Vegan Baking, and I will link that down below. I got this for, I think, my bridal shower. This camera's all over the place. I got it for my bridal shower. So he used the recipe in there, but he obviously didn't use the icing recipe that came with it because he bought a store-bought vanilla frosting. A vegan, coincidentally vegan one. I just pulled my own hair. So I'm going to eat this little cupcake, which is naked because we did not have any cupcake liners, so we just sprayed the tin. But yeah, that's probably all I'm gonna eat today. So I'm gonna go ahead and say goodbye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And otherwise, I'll talk to you later. Bye!